Wonderful, beautiful. You know that is my slogan. This is Coral Bay, and of course we're just below the beautiful Coral Beach Hotel. You could not want to be cooking today in a more beautiful location. But I'm lucky to be here, and you're lucky to be with me, because I'm Gilda Charlie, and I'm going to make you the most beautiful lemon pepper chicken with oyster mushrooms, which of course they're the same coral shaped mushrooms like we find every day at Coral Bay. So join with me in this beautiful fantasy and adventure, and I'm going to take you on a beautiful, wonderful, beautiful trip today of food. Right, we're going to start off now with a little bit of olive oil, lovely, in a beautiful, beautiful hot frying pan. Now look at that lovely, all night that's been marinating in lemon pepper, okay, olive oil and some squeeze of fresh lemon. Look at that, all night. That's going to be so, so, so tender. Oh yes, and that's beautiful. Oh yes, that is so wonderful. And look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, look at that. And straight away you can see there the chicken. This dish takes a very, very few minutes, not a lot of minutes. Okay, so just wait, don't go yet. Right, over here again, come close to me. We're gonna put some olive oil in the other pan. Look at that, lovely olive oil. Yes, the buffy. And look at this, look at that. That is a work of art. Thousands of years in the sea that was. Well, I'm only joking. Look at that. Oh yes. I'm gonna put it all in one go. The whole lot. Look at that. That's wonderful. That is, I'm so happy. Look at these beautiful breasts of chicken. And it doesn't take long. And you know, cooking with me is easy. So I'm a nice guy, and I know you're nice people. Look at these beautiful, great big pieces of garlic. I love the garlic in butter. What's going on, man? Look at the boats. Listen, I'm in heaven today. This Coral Bay is the heavenliest place in Cyprus for me. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some lovely red peppers. Look at these. Beautiful red peppers. Just drop this all round. Lovely. And of course now, I'm going to bring up some nice pieces of lemon rind to complete this beautiful, look at that, that is lovely. That is so good. Let's get the flavours all together there. Look at that lovely flavouring. Look at that chicken. And you know how soft this chicken is? It's wonderful. Of course, our lovely Buffers wine will help this dish. Oh yes. Can you hear the music? Oh yes, wonderful. And some fresh lemon. That's good. That is so lovely. That is so good. Couple of minutes now, and what I want you to do now is write all the ingredients. Just a moment. Excuse me, come over here because I can. Look at that. Beautiful fresh rosemary. My God, I didn't realise. So right next to me. This will go so well with my mushrooms. Let's get some cream into our dish here. Lovely, lovely, loads of luscious cream. Lovely. And this is going to be one heavenly dish. Look at that, that's great. Now don't tell me this is hard to do, eh? Don't tell me this is hard to do, because I'm making life so easy for you. Oh yes. Okay, now what we're going to do now, just make sure we've got a little salt in here with our mushroom. Give it a little bit of more life there. Just a little bit of black pepper. And now, the last bit, some little bit of coriander. Let's get the Greek flavours in there, the rosemary and the coriander. Look at that mushroom. My God, it's wonderful. And can you imagine now the fusion? I'm going to give it a little bit of lemon. Just a little bit of lemon. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Right now, I think we're ready. I think we're ready, Buffos. Now this is ready. And quickly write the recipe down, and then I'm going to serve the food. Come on, come to me. Look at that beautiful chicken. Magnificent, magnificent. Well, I'll tell you now, I'm going to be happy, and I certainly hope you're going to be happy. And I certainly think our crew here are going to be happy, and the whole of Buffer, the whole of the world are going to be happy, because it's a fantastic dish. Now, let's go to the piece de resistance, the Leonardo da Greccio da Vincio. Magnificent. This is a work of art. And now we'll just put some lovely bits of the herbs that we've marinated. Look at that rosemary. The rosemary and the wonderful, wonderful coriander. Well, I'm very, very, very happy with my lemon pepper chicken, my oyster mushrooms, coral bay and buffalo.